I have a question. Do you use ad blockers on YouTube? Don't worry, this isn't a trap. No judgment. Let me know in the comments below. When I asked this question in a community post, I was a little surprised at the answer. I thought it would be much closer to 50-50. But then I realized I was basically asking the creator community their thoughts on ad blockers. And they understand more than most that ads support creators, and hence they are necessary to keep the creative wheels turning. And of course, there is a built-in solution to removing ads, YouTube Premium. And lots of those who were surveyed shared how awesome that service is to enjoy an ad-free experience on YouTube. But is that about to change? Some users who have YouTube Premium are now starting to see ads on the platform, and news sites confirm that YouTube is beginning to test limited ads within the YouTube Premium service.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Now, I don't want everybody to just leap into full-on panic mode just yet. When I check out YouTube Premium, it proudly boasts of no interruptions and one single payment tier getting you everything YouTube Premium has to offer. But not everybody is seeing that page. One user shared this new tiered system of YouTube Premium that offers ad-free YouTube videos with limited ads. And what does that mean in reality? Most videos are ad-free, but music content and shorts will have the usual amount of ads, and ads will appear on your feed and in search pages. And given the fact you don't get the download feature for offline viewing or background play, YouTube Premium Lite does seem very, very light indeed. And when you see all of this combined with very significant price hikes some users are seeing just to keep using the premium service, are YouTube at risk of pushing users over the edge and going, well, you know where? Now then, I do need to plant my flag firmly in the sand and state that I do not use, nor do I support in any way, shape or form, YouTube ad blockers. And I make no apologies for saying that. And I will proudly say that I am biased in that opinion, because YouTube has changed my career. YouTube has changed my profession. YouTube has changed my life for the better. And I'm pretty confident that hundreds of thousands, maybe millions of creators on the YouTube platform can say exactly the same thing, because ads run on videos. They financially support, they financially sustain what we do. Ad blockers on YouTube rob creators of that opportunity. So it is a clear and firm no from me. Perhaps I'm too naive or I'm looking at this too simplistically, but that's where I'm at. And so when last year YouTube started clamping down on people who use ad blockers, I was in favor of it. And one of the reasons I was in favor of it was because a pure ad-free version of the platform already exists that doesn't impact creators. And let's be clear about the fact that purchasing YouTube Premium still benefits creators. They get a cut of the revenue when a YouTube Premium user watches one of their videos. However, potentially going forward, how true is this statement? The answer is not entirely. The unfortunate inevitability is that this is the prevailing wind of the industry. Paid streaming services now come with ads. And if you think YouTube is different, think again, because it's now the largest streaming service available. Yes, bigger than Hulu, Disney, and Paramount Plus combined. The big problem is that all of these streaming services that have launched over the last decade had one common feature: zero ads. And once you launch something with a feature, it's very hard to claw that back without annoying the user base, especially when you're going to charge extra to buy that feature back. For YouTube, this problem is magnified because it launched as a free service, and by the fact that the people who make YouTube what it is, creators, don't really have any say in what YouTube does or how much they charge. What I can say is, as a stakeholder of YouTube, I'm not going anywhere. I love both consuming and creating content on the platform. But I don't like the feeling of being squeezed, or dare I say exploited either, as a customer. Nickel and diming me out of a few extra dollars a month to maintain that ad-free experience just leaves a sour taste in the mouth. That is, of course, if YouTube decide to roll out this premium service to all users. All of which leads us back to a modified version of the question that kicked this video off. If YouTube do go through with this, would you be tempted to use an ad blocker.
No! God, please, no! No! No!